Hi everyone, I am Chrislyn P. Alguin and I am to show you how to use the ICT tool called TED-Ed. TED-Ed is a lesson creator platform. For teachers, this is a helpful platform in delivering topics to learners. It is created by TED, Technology, Entertainment, and Design, which is a non-profit organization which posts talks online for free distribution under the slogan Ideas Worth Sharing. It allows people in creating and learning educational lessons in various topics and lessons with the collaboration of teachers, students, and animators. So, how do you use TED-Ed? First step is to go to their website. You can either type the link http://ed.ted.com, or you can also search TED-Ed, then click this link. So this is how their website looks like. On this side, click register to create your own account, or you can use the sign in button if you already have an account. For me, I am going to the sign in button. If you're wondering whether your students need a TED-Ed account, then no worries. The good thing about TED-Ed is that when you send a lesson to your class, they don't need to register for an account in TED-Ed in order to access the lesson that you send them. Okay, once you sign in, this is how it should look like. In the Discover tab, you can view the featured lessons, click through to all existing lessons that are already created by other creators. Another good thing about TED-Ed is that it have diverse topics, as you can see here. You'll see a wide range of topics, but if you want a specific focus, there is the ability to search by keyword or browse by subject area. This is where you can search. As you can see on this Discover page, there are many subjects you can choose from. So you can easily find videos related to mythology, physics, health, mathematics, and etc. So let us click these subjects. And here it is. The arts, business and economics, design, engineering, health, literature, and so on. So you can narrow down which videos you want to see. For example, let us click mathematics here. So we have algebra, data analysis, and probability, geometry, and measurement, and so on. So let us try algebra. Okay, various lessons up. Let us try to click this lesson. You can see, as you can see, there you can share it to other people, or you can easily share it to your students. If you want, you can also edit these lessons for your own version by clicking this customize this lesson button. For this particular video or for this particular lesson, this is the flow of the lesson created by the educator. You can change these ones to suit your objectives, or you can delete some items from this lesson created by the educator. What we are going to do now is to create our own lesson. Click create, then a lesson, then it will lead you to this one. On this screen is the create a lesson page. Enter a keyword to search for possible videos, or you can use URL if you know what video you want to use. If you search a keyword, for example, simple interest, as you can see, the videos that appeared are educational explainer videos. So another feature of TED-Ed is that these explainer videos are very relatable. This type of explainer videos help students better understand an idea. Let us try to click a video. Then you click continue, then you can now edit your lesson. Of course, first, watch the video so that you will know what the video you are sending the kids are. So this is what the page looks like as you edit your lesson. Let's try the let's begin button. So for introduction, you can put the things you want the students to know before watching the video. This will show up as a caption of the video. As an example, let us input the definition of simple interest. So after the students read the introduction, they can watch the video. Watch, as you'd imagine, is where the students can bring up the video to watch in a window or full screen or on their device of choice. So if you input the introduction, continue to the think section. Think is where students can be posed to students to see if they've assimilated the video messages. You can choose if it's a multiple choice question or an open answer. If it's, let us try multiple choice question at the top box, type your question. As an example, our question is, what is the formula of simple interest? Then you can input the choices. The colored ones, the colored green or the letter A shows that it is the correct answer. If you want, you can switch to letter B or C or the letter where you put the correct answer. Of course, these colors will not show up when the students are about to answer. Let us also try the open answer question, where you can put a question with no multiple choice, like asking what this thing means, or put up an essay question. It can also be an identification question. As an example, let us try still, what is the formula of simple interest, or simply let us try, what is simple interest? Okay, then as you can see, we have here our questions that we created. Then we move on to the dig deeper section. So this is what will show up if you click the dig deeper button. You can put additional informations that you want your students to know. You can also put a link of an additional resource that is related to the video or topic. Let's continue to the discussion section. You can put something that your class can discuss together. It can be a topic or anything. This can actually hone the online discussion skills of your students. Learning how to participate in an online discussion is an important skill. TED-Ed videos are perfect for back-channel discussions. You might create an open back-channel for students to respond organically or provide prompts. You can use questions for discussion. You might post the question for your entire class. Alternatively, you might ask students to discuss in small groups. And finally, the conclusion. This is the closing for your lesson. And as a conclusion, let us put a simple question. What have you learned today? By the way, you may or you may not input something in the sections. Like if you want to skip the discuss part, you may do so. If you want to see how your lesson looks like in a student's account, you can click this button to preview the lesson or get help. As you can see, above the video is the information we put in. The Let's Begin section, the watch part is where your students view the video. If there is something you want to change, just go back to the edit page and you can revise it. When you are ready to share the lesson, use the publish button, this one. You can share the link with whomever you like and however you like. You can also send the lesson to entered email addresses. The lesson still remains public. Only those you sent them can access the lesson. Watch your email or log into your account to see your dashboard in the Manage tab, which will include all the lessons you've created or begun to create. You can also control settings and notifications in this area. So that's how you use TED-Ed.